Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload audio on Roblox application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, if you don't have the Roblox application on your PC, you'll need to go and download it through any browser you're using. So simply just go to your browser and type roblox.com and hit the enter button. Log into your account or create your account if you don't have one. You must be plus 13 years old, and of course once you do that, I advise you so hard to verify your email. So once you did that, they will give you a free item and you will be secured. You will have the option of restarting or changing your password if you get hacked or if you forgot your password or receipts in your password. Anyway, so of course once you download it on your PC, you'll need to install it and run it, then log in into your account again once you opened it. So of course, when you do that, you'll find yourself here at this screen like me, which is going to be your home or your main screen. You may have here different games depending on what you recently played or what Roblox suggests to you. So first of all, let's start with the question: can you upload audios to Roblox for free? So just as a reminder, it is against the Roblox terms of use to upload music unless you own it or it is probably properly licensed. If you don't remove any copyrighted music and it is flagged by our or their moderation team, you will completely replace the music, or they will the Roblox team automatically replace the music with licensed music. So of course, if you want to upload music, you will want to be at the Roblox studio, not at the Roblox player, where I am right now. So of course, once you're creating a game, and you will find a blue bar at the top of your screen. So just go and click on that, then click at audio, then click at browse and select the audio file. Once you selected it, click at upload button and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.